train. I gotta get away. There's always gonna be a price to pay. I've never been right, I've always been wrong, and they tell me I gotta move on. I sing this song hoping to reach out. Just one motherfucker and exhale my blues. I don't give a fuck because I'm clueless. I try to figure out the nonsense, but that's all I get. I don't give a fuck if they call me wicked. I'm still a good man inside me when they don't accept it. I'm just a monster in the motherfucking skin of a marshmallow. The motherfuckers don't want to see me tomorrow, cause when I fucking reach to the top of where I am, they're gonna die where I stand. Motherfuckers don't know really who I am. They try to figure me out, but I'm lost in the sand, lost in a new land. I found a new dude that was trying to tell me everything is fucking all that, but it's all gonna be a lie. At the bottom of his truth, it's all gonna make sense. And he wanna tell me that I'm full of bullshit, but fuck you, dude. Look at your life. I'm just trying to be more than this, and I just gotta tell you that I'm just named Chris. I'm just a motherfucking dude in a motherfucking basement, trying to fucking get out the cave like a caveman. They don't want me, so I gotta fucking beat the door down and tell them, hey, somebody accept me, because they want me to be the fucking enemy. But instead I try to be a friend, so they close an open hand and make a fist and try to hit me in the back of the head. That's all they got when they come for me in the dark. Yeah, I've been drinking, dog, but I just gotta fucking let it all sound off to every dude that's a douchebag. Don't give a fuck if they wanna fucking blow the horn and tell me that I'm not really what I fucking good I am. I don't give a fuck, goddamn, I'm still a real man. 6'7" wanna stand, I'm looking through the clouds, tipping over the mountain, and they tell me that it's clearly, but the grass is not greener where it grows, and I got more room to fucking feel my sorrow, because I'm all alone for the rest of eternal. I don't give a fuck, cause my motherfucker told me that I'm special, so I gotta live into the spaces that I'll never fucking reach, and I just gotta fucking get the started with my speech. Motherfucker wanna see me be all a motherfucking one man on me, but I can't fucking do it every motherfucking time that I walk into the room and I feel another gloom on the world that fucking tore me apart from reality. I'm so sorry, I just wanna be the big fucking baby. But I'm growing up lately, and the whole world looks so fucking dark, and I'm trying to fix the strategy. They show me that it's gonna be a tragedy. Until then, I'm so sad to see, but I can't be just this. They tell me that I'm Chris, but now I'm so wicked, bitch.